Who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Jack on Track. So what's in the box? Alright, it's a bag again. I can't help this. Stop complaining about it. Things come in bags. That's just the way it is. Alright. I know you guys are out there complaining. Oh, more blue box loving. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, I think these are the Norfolk Western. I ordered 2 of these off. I got good deals on these. I gotta stop buying stuff because it's getting a little crazy. Oh, whoa, we almost lost that little wheel. Yep, Norfolk Western. Look at that puppy. Brand new in the box. That's how old this is. Look at this. Just sitting in the box. Aged up. Nice. Yep, one side. Wow. So, yep. That goes in the pile of stuff to get done. We're gonna start putting these cars together soon. Why? Because I'm tired of running passenger cars when I go to club layouts. So, once again, thanks for watching Jack on Tracks, and like and subscribe. Keep watching, and we should be coming close to getting up to 50. That's my next giveaway, and stay tuned for that. Should be pretty good. You know, it's not going to be an engine, or it might be an engine. Ooh, we don't know, but you have to stay tuned, like and subscribe. We're going to set the rules for that very shortly, so we can get a little more competition this time. So, yeah, thanks again. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.